down, sit down. Sit down.
Oh, that's outside. It's outside.
Too much heat, too much heat.
A little too much on that. Give Andy a shot there. Hey, come on, Andy, step in there. Let me see Andy.
Come on, Andy, sign up for keg curling.
He's been sitting there bumping his gums. See what you got, old man.
He's been scouting.
Oh no, he puts a spin on that. Let's get the spin. Nope. All right, little FPV here. All right, here we go. 1, 2. Oh, a little hard.
That's nice. That's a 2.
There we go. That's a 2. That's 2.
Jim came to play. 2. I like having a line. So I think it needs to be a little closer.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, nothing. Nice footwork there, buddy.
So what, you're here? And you can't release this line?
No. You got to release behind the line.
Behind the line there. Behind the line there.
Behind the line.
This is like I'm way out here right
No, I think it should be behind the second line right there.
Second line there.
Here.
There's still room.
Oh, that was horrible.
You need a brew out here.
Thank you, Richard. No, no. Oh, 1 point. 1 point.
1 point there.
Here you go. A little more mustard this time. One hand. It's gonna break. Break. Oh, look at that. I get 1 point? 0? I don't know. I think I need the camera down there.
0.
No, no, nothing. 1 point.
Here we go.
There we go. Put a little mustard on it. A little too much? Oh, parks it. 2 points. You see that spin there?
2 points.
Oh, that's a power. Going all the way through. You want the next throw, Richard?
I'm gonna go watch the ball off my hand.
Oh, I'm sorry, man.
That's what I'm just doing. Richard, give that to Jim. Well, actually, here.
Look at that.
Oh!
Is it 2? All right. Let me get a picture of this right here. All right, here we go. Keg Curling Tournament next Saturday.